Join me as I take on the challenge of building a public company from the ground up. Let's see if I can make it happen. Building a public company from scratch is a monumental task that fascinates many in the business world. It's about transforming an idea into a globally recognized brand, accessible to investors and customers on a massive scale. This journey isn't just about growth, it's about resilience, strategy, and vision. For entrepreneurs, taking a company public represents the ultimate achievement, symbolizing success and credibility. Entrepreneurs face a myriad of challenges while trying to take their company public. Funding is a significant hurdle. It's a costly process that requires substantial capital. Then there's regulation. Navigating the complex web of laws and compliance requirements can be daunting. Market competition is another major obstacle. Standing out in a crowded market and maintaining a unique value proposition is crucial. These challenges can overwhelm even the most seasoned entrepreneurs. The process of building a public company begins with a solid idea, identifying a gap in the market and conceptualizing a product or a service that meets a real need that's essential. Once the idea is in place, securing funding becomes the priority. This can come from venture capitalists, angel investors, or through initial public offerings. As the company grows, so does its regulatory responsibilities. Understanding and complying with laws and regulations is vital to avoid costly penalties and maintain investor trust. Successfully navigating the regulatory landscape involves more than just compliance. It's about leveraging these requirements to build a strong foundation for the company. This includes establishing a robust corporate governance structure and ensuring transparency in financial reporting. Building a public company is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt to changing market conditions. One of the most inspiring aspects of taking a company public is witnessing the growth firsthand. I recall a company that started in a small garage and eventually became a household name. Their journey to IPO was filled with highs and lows, moments of euphoria and times of despair. The emotional and financial stakes were high, but their determination and innovative spirit paid off. The story serves as a testament to what's possible with hard work and a clear vision. So in conclusion, building a public company from scratch is a challenging yet rewarding endeavour. It's a journey that tests one's limits but offers unparalleled opportunities for growth and success. If you're inspired by the journey, I'd love to hear about your experiences or thoughts on taking a company public. If you're interested in more content like this, be sure to check out my other videos on valuable entrepreneurship tips. And if you're considering starting your own company, join the conversation and share your ideas or question below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you're interested in anything that you've heard or seen on this video, don't hesitate to contact me. That's Alan at Businesses to Start on a Shoestring. My phone number is 07539141257. From outside the UK, it's +44 7539141257, or the landline 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, that's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or simply drop me an email to alan@businessestostartonashoestring.com or alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.